Spring Boot application with microservice architecture in the hospital management system. What are the technologies we use? What are the deployment tools we use? What are the modules we can develop in this project? Introduction for overview in the hospital management system. It is a enterprise application. It is digitalized for the hospital operations, manage the patient records, doctor details, appointment scheduling, billing, and administrative tasks. Effectively handle the centralized system. In the traditional hospital, most processes are handled manually, which can be leads the error, so delay and data mismanagement. In the hospital project to solve this problem by providing the automated, secure, and scalable solution. Objective for the project: simplify the hospital workflows, maintain the accurate patient records, reduce the manual paperwork, improve doctor-patient coordination, provide the faster and more reliable services. What are the technologies used in the project? Microservice architecture nowadays using in real-time projects in the real-time workflows. System is designed using microservice architecture, where each module is developed as an independent services. Key characteristics, advantages for this project is a microservice architecture, loosely coupled services, independently deployment, high scalability, fault isolation, and backend technologies, language Java, AI, framework Spring Boot, or Spring Data GBA, architecture microservice, based on requirement in the real time by using communication, REST API, synchronous communication, and Apache Kafka asynchronous communication. I can build the project, do some modules in the REST API based on requirement. We use Apache Kafka asynchronous communication also. Data storage purpose, I am using the MySQL database by providing the security for this project by using Spring Security and JWT authentication and more tools, mob and build tool, GitHub, version control system, SCM, source code management tool in real time, and also we are using store the project code in the GitHub, and I developed the project in the IntelliJ idea. By REST endpoints, I am testing in the Postman, and also I introduced the Swagger documentation also, and deploy the project in the nowadays using Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, CI/CD pipeline, Docker and Kubernetes, containerization and orchestration, Jenkins, CI/CD pipeline, Argo CD, Terraform, AWS. Coming videos, I can explain and practically I show the code and the key modules in the hospital management system. Patient management, patient ID, name, age, gender, contact info, gender, address, disease, medical history, disease. Those are develop the project management system. Next, doctor management system. Doctor name, ID, name, availability, specialization, which date to available the doctor, those things. And appointment system, appointment ID, doctor ID, time, date in the system. Next, treatment and diagnosis. Provide the treatment, patient ID, maintain the report ID, prescription, payment mode, cash or online payments we maintain. Next, billing and payment. Provide the invoice ID, invoice amount, date, status, payment, fail or success, everything. Project workflow. In the microservice architecture, develop the parallelly patient registration, doctor appointment, diagnosis, billing, and monitoring by the dashboard. We can develop parallelly also. We can develop the real time also individually develop in the microservice architecture. What are the features we can benefits? User-friendly interface, security data management, real-time data updates, scalable architecture, reduce the manual errors, save the time. Those are I can develop in this project. And also we can introduce front coming onwards front end. We use, for example, React or Angular. Most of the project we are using the React. I can provide the code and explanation everything in the React. This is the hospital management introduction. Next videos we can develop the structure of the project structure of the code. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.